If you are looking for an easy-to-use and trustworthy health monitoring device, then vivosmart 5 Health Monitoring Watch Band is your best choice. This video will introduce the new safety features on the vivosmart 5. Are you ready to be healthier? Let's go! The vivosmart 5 has added new safety and incident detection features. The safety features will be sending notification through the Garmin Connect app. LiveTrack connection and GPS location information will be sent to your emergency contact saved on your Garmin Connect account. How to set up and save your emergency contact? Please see the video in the description. The safety tracking function can be activated in 2 situations. One is SOS notification. This means that, on any page of your watch, when you hold down the main button for 7 seconds, it'll activate the feature. The other is incident detection notification are walking, running, cycling. In the event of violent shaking or impact, the device will automatically activate the notification function. Note, if you don't need help, you can press the X symbol on the screen before the countdown time ends to stop the action of sending urgent messages. In addition, if the device does not obtain the GPS from your mobile phone when sending the message, it'll show fail to send on screen. Now, you got this. That's all for now for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.